आज आम डिस्कसन करवा 2020 जो ओएस प्रिलिम्स एग्जाम होता तार जनरल स्टडीज पेपर 1 सो ये देखिपे यहाँ 2020 मसीहार क्वेश्चन जोटा कि रिसेंट एग्जाम होता अगस्ट 27 2021 एंड टेस्ट बुकलेट सीरीज है बी जनरल स्टडीज पेपर 1 आउ टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन थिला 100टा मैक्सिमम मार्क्स थिला 200 एंड टोटल टाइम मिलता 2 घंटा सो जदि मोर ये प्रयास आपको भल लगी था तो वीडियो टी लाइक करेंगे चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करेंगे आउ सांग सहित ए वीडियो टी शेयर करेंगे सो चलो आज वीडियो टी स्टार्ट करेंगे गोटे छोट अनाउंसमेंट वीडियो स्टार्ट करने पूर्व कि जदि वीडियो पीडीएफ एंड आंसर बाकी सब जिते मो सब वीडियो सब अपलोड कर तार पीडीएफ नोट्स ये सब दरकार तो डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक करंतु सेठी आपको मोर मते केमती कांटेक्ट करे सेठी मिल जिवो कांटेक्ट करियो और आपने नहीं परिबे ओके सो चला आज वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिया सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का अछि 1 लाइट ईयर इज गोटे लाइट ईयर डेफिनेशन सो लाइट ईयर डेफिनेशन अला ए डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल बाय लाइट इन द फ्री स्पेस इन 1 ईयर ऑप्शन ए and question number 2 bleeding from nose bleeding from nose is caused when a person is there at person code थिबा दरकार जतले हायर अल्टीट्यूड रे थिबो आ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर लो थिबो जतले नाक रक्त अधिक बाहर तो सेति पई जनरली कोन ना जतले नाक रक्त बाहर मुंड ऊपर को टेकी देया पई सो दैट की प्रेशर बढ़ जाए एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर जतले बढ़ जाए then question number 3 the main component of biogas that is CH4 methane then question number 4 subatomic particles are electron भी proton भी neutron भी so all of these then question number 5 carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas because it is carbon monoxide टा काहे poisonous एटा hemoglobin सहित react बहुत अधिक करे बाइंड है जोटा कि हमरा सर्कुलेशन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम करे कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड blood circulation then question number 6 which is not a synthetic polymer kodano that is polystyrene then question number 7 bee sting causes severe pain and burning sensation due to the presence of methanoic acid option D then question number 8 albinism is caused due to the deficiency of an that is enzyme albinism and question number 9 ballpoint pens dyes used are ballpoint जो डाइज है एटा को डाइज एतर कोन यूज करा जाय दैट इज ऑयल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 आंसर हला ऑप्शन डी ऑयल बेस्ड देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 which one of the following colors is least deviated by the glass of prism so जहार फ्रीक्वेंसी अधिका से कम डेविएशन हो सो आम जदि स्टार्ट करिया बिहेवियर रु तळे रहि जो वायोलेट ऊपर रहि जो रेड सो फ्रीक्वेंसी अधिका कार रेड रो सो लीस्ट डेविएट किया हला रेड सो आंसर हला रेड क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of banyan tree option D then question number 12 spirogyra is a kind of that is algae then question number 13 which of the following substances is not synthetic quote out a synthetic substance no so your answer है option A fibroin then question number 14 change in the base sequence within a gene is called mutation then question number 15 hypsometer is used to measure hypsometer कौन करे the depth of ocean depth को मापिया रे help करे then question number 16 Sagarmala project is under which ministry of government of India that is Ministry of Ports Shipping and Waterways उनको भारतमाला project Sagarmala project generally कौन port to port connectivity so it is under Ministry of Ports then question number 17 Which country has begun its 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member in the UNSC? That is India. Then question number 18. Who is the chairman of State Commission for Backward Caste in Odisha? Who is the chairman of State Commission for Backward Castes in Odisha? That is option A, Justice Raghunath Biswal. And question number 19. Which of the following is not correct? You have to quota correct now. That is option D. Then question number 20. Some SCO heads of summit state summit was held on 10th November 2020. In video conference format, the summit was hosted by India. Option B, India. Then question number 21. Which country has become the sixth member of the Five Eyes intelligence network? That is sixth country किए ହେଲା first ପାଞ୍ଚଟା country ଥିଲେ ଯେମିତି USA, Canada, UK, Australia, then add ହେଇଗଲା ଆମର Japan. Five Eyes ରେ add ହେଇଗଲା. Five Eyes କିଏ କିଏ ଥିଲେ? US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. Then ଏବେ add ହେଲା new member ହେଲା Japan. Then question number 22. What is the theme of World Sustainable Development Summit 2020? So यार theme थिला towards 2030 goals, making the decade count. Option A. Then question number 23. Who among the following persons of Odisha is the Padma Vibhushan awardee for 2021 for the distinguished service in the field of arts? That is Sudarsana Sahu. Option D. Then question number 24. The recipient of Atibadi Jagannath Das Literary Award, awarded by the Sahitya Academy of Odisha for 2020, is known. His name was Ramachandra Behera. Option C. Then question number 25. The freshwater lake built by India near its research station Maitri in Antarctica is known as Priyadarshini. Option C. And question number 26. The Mars Perseverance rover that landed on the Mars on 18th February 2021 was launched by USA, United States of America. Then 27. The state of Jammu Kashmir was made an UT. एटा केबे हेतला जदि दबा के आर्टिकल 37 370 आ 35 पे केबे रिमूव कराइतला तो दैट इज 5th अगस्त 2019. बट जम्मू कश्मीर केबे यूटी घोषित कराला दैट इज 31st October 2019. So your answer of option D, 31st October 2019. And question number 28. The protest movement organized at Shaheen Bagh in Delhi from 14th December to 29th to 24th March 2020 was against एटा को against थिला जो शाहीन बाग जो protest हेतला that is based on CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Option C is the right answer. Then question number 29. The military skirmishes that occurred between China and India in 5th May 2020 in the Galwan Valley involved territorial disputes over एटा कोट हेतला जो गलवान वाले इंसिडेंट हेतला एटा नियर हेतला पैंगोंग लेक, पैंगोंग सो लेक. Then question number 30. What is the capital of बत्सा महाजनपद? बत्सा रा जो 16 टा महाजनपद थिले ता भितर पड़थिला बत्सा. बत्सा रा कैपिटल कोन थिला? कौशाम्बी. Option B is the right answer. And question number 31. Which of the following sources indicate that last Mauryan ruler Brihadrath was assassinated by the Pushyamitra Sangha? So एटा थिला the book, famous book Harsha Charitra. Option D. And question number 32. Who among the Gupta ruler was first to bear higher political title of Maharajathiraja? Your answer है Chandragupta I. Option B. And question number. Who overthrew Rashtrakutas in 1973 AD? एटा किए करतला तालियाटू of Western Chanukya. Option A. And question number 34. Which of the following Mughal sources was translated into Persian by Painda Khan? तो एटा किए एटा कौन किए चेंज करतले? Mughal sources was translated into Persian by Painda Khan. So your answer haba option A, Babur Nawa. Then question number 35, who was the author of Tariq-i-Dawdi? Third लिखितला that is Abdullah. 35 answer of B. And question number 36, who had prepared for the proclamation known as Mazhar issued in September 1579? So it is option C, Sheikh Mubarak, option C. And question number 37, what was the term used for the religious officer in Mughal administration? That is Mutasib, option B, Mutasib. Then question number 38, British concluded Treaty of Surat in 1775 with whom? That is with Raghunath Rao. Then question number 39, which of the following land revenue settlement was first to have concluded with the village community? That is option B, Mahalwari. Then question number 40, what was the title of the first newspaper published by James Augustus Hickey? That is Bengal Gazette, first newspaper. Then question number 41, who compared the Salt March of Gandhi to Napoleon's march to Paris on his return to Elba? So it compare करते that is option C, Motilal Nehru. Then question number 42, who founded the Deccan Educational Society? That is Ranade, M.G. Ranade. Then question number 43, who was the chairman of First Femini Commission? First Femini Commission के जोटा 1880 रहीला start. So यार chairman थिला Sir Richard Starchi, जोटा Starchi Commission famous. And question number 44, the Middle Himalayan Range originated Middle Himalayan Range. Tadala Yosin Osineta. Answer option A. Then question number 45, which of the following is not an example of Block Mountain? Block Mountain answer Block Mountain Kotanuha, not an example of Block Mountain. That is Western Ghat Mountain. Then question number 46, which of the following tributaries of Indus River emerges from the Pirpanjal Range? So which of the following tributaries of Indus River emerges from the Pirpanjal Range? Itala answer of Jhelum, option D, Jhelum. Then question number 47, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? That is option B, Bajda Winds. Then question number 48, which of the following is not correctly matched? That is Irminger Current, North Pacific. एमती गोटे current particular North Pacific ocean है Benguela hala South Atlantic current, Peru current hala South Pacific current, Mozambique current hala Indian Madagascar side. So option B is the right answer. Then question number 49, which of the following is not correctly matched? Tulbul project, Chellam river is. Then option B, Koteshwar project, Tapti river. Then question number 50, which of the following human races has woolly hairs? Woolly hairs Karthla, that is option A, Negroid. Then question number 51, which of the following demographic transition stages the intensive subsistence farming is prevalent? So your answer is option C, stage 3. Then question number 52, it is 12 noon at Greenwich, Greenwich is London. Then what will be the time at a place situated at 60 degree east longitude? So 60 degree east जदि जने गोटे सहर अच्छी सेठी केते टाइम हेतो? So per 1 degree हला 4 minute. So 60 degree ପାଇଁ 6 into 4, that is 4 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा हेतो. तो एठी 12 हिच माने सेठी east हेले gain 4 घंटा हबो. So 4 pm it is. Then 52 answer हबो 4 pm. Then question number 53, what is the significance of Dakshin Gangotri? Dakshin Gangotri significance का एटा गोटे scientific base station in Antarctica जोटा कि इंडिया रो. So 53 answer of option C. Then question number 54, in India El Nino is very often associated with El Nino hela bad monsoon सहित associated. La Nina, El Nino, La Nina ये सब वाला bad monsoon सहित related. El Nino hela bad monsoon, La Nina hela good monsoon, and Enso is also bad monsoon. So El Nino or Enso, both are associated with bad monsoon, and La Nina is favorable for monsoon. So 54 answer of option B. And question number 55, in the atmosphere, which of the following carries the ozone layer? Ozone layer mainly both troposphere ଥାଏ ଆଉ stratosphere ଥାଏ. So ଦେଇଛି carries the ozone layer. So it is mainly our stratosphere answer. And question number 56, which of the following is a predominant species of the deciduous forest of Odisha? That is answer of option C, that is sal. And question number 57, slash and burn cultivation relates to which of the following? That is subsistence agriculture. Then question number 58, the ideal of welfare state in the Indian constitution is enshrined in its DPSP. Welfare state means DPSP. Then question number 59, who, as per the provisions of the constitution, declares an area as a scheduled area? Scheduled area kiye declare karbe? That is President of India. The concurrent question number 60, the concurrent list in the constitution of India was adopted from concurrent list card was Australia. Then question number 61, which schedule of the Indian constitution of India distributes power between union and states? So এটা কি করে এটা our 7th schedule, that is option D, right answer. Then question number 62, mandamus is a writ issued by the apex court. Mandamus means we command. So asking a public official or any authority to perform legal duties, that is 62 answer option A. Then question number 63, any money bill cannot be introduced in the parliament without the consent of the parliament. Money bill कोठी introduce हुए? लोकसभा. और लोकसभा रो हेड किए? स्पीकर. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ ମନି ବିଲ୍ କି ନୁହଁ ସେଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କିଏ କରେ? ସ୍ପିକର ଅଫ ଲୋକସଭା. So any money bill cannot be introduced in the parliament without the consent of the speaker of the Lok Sabha. That is 63 answer of option C. Then question number 64, the first state in India which was created on linguistic basis, that is Andhra Pradesh, option A. Then question number 65, the right to education for all between 6 to 14 years of age has been included as a fundamental right in the year. So right to education जो हेतला तारा amendment हेतला 86th amendment of 2001, but the bill completely passed हेतला 2002. So answer of 2002. Then question number 66, one of the following now is not a department of finance ministry. So Department of Economic Affairs, এটা তো ଅଛି expenditure, revenue, ये तीनटा गला finance ministry ର part, but Department of Banking Affairs जोटा केबे पढाई RBI पाखु. Question number 67, the All India Whips Conference is organized by All India Whips. এটা organize किए करे? The Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Then question number 68, the purpose of Uniform Civil Code incorporated in Article 44 of Indian Constitution is for? That is option B, cultural integration. Then question number 69, policy as a rational choice in competitive situation is rational theory. Then question number 70, keeping control over delegated legislation is the power of? Keeping control over delegated legislation. So delegated legislation ऊपर कंट्रोल रखिया कार ये अच्छे एटाला ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज लोकसभा. 70 आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी. And question number 71, the governing council of Niti Aayog is comprises of PM and all the chief minister. Okay. Then question number 71 answer all option A. And question number 72, the chairman of general council, eta kiye chairman kiye thante? Union home minister. So 72 रा option haba option C, Union Home Minister. Then question number 73, for each country global hunger index values are determined by which of the following indicators? So एटा चारटांग इंडिकेटर यूज ग्लोबल hunger index by चारटांग index use. So option D 1 2 3 4 is the right answer. And question number 74, the reserve held by the commercially banks over the reserve held by commercial banks over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI is called reserve held by the commercial banks. जोटा commercial bank निज पाखे रखे एटा ला cash reserve. Then question number 75, which of the following promoted the concept of self-help groups for financing the poor? So self-help group को promote किया करे, that is NABARD. Then question number 76, which of the following is not financial inclusion scheme? Hriday is based on heritage, development and protection. Then question number 77, Shisu, Kishore and Tarun are the schemes of Atala Mudra scheme, that is micro unit development and reference agency limited scheme, Mudra scheme. In question number 78, which of the following indicators is not used to calculate human development index? Coda usually, that is social inequality. Option D. Question number 79, which of the following committees recommended a poverty line based on nutritional requirement? So the only poverty aba, then it is Tendulkar committee. But based on nutritional requirement, then it is Alag committee. Option C is right answer. Question number 80. The first Sustainable Development Goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? So UN ର ଏବେ measurement କେମିତି extreme poverty जोटा UN ର measurement ତା official site ରେ କଣ ଅଛି? So ତା official site ଅଛି कि people who live on less than 0.25 cent per day, means $0.25 per day or 25 cents a day. Then question number 81, which is the highest allocation ministry in budget 21-22? So सबुठ अधिका काहाकु मिलछि? Ministry of Defense, that is $64 billion. Then question number 82, the central government has unveiled a new series of consumer price index, that is CPI-IW with तार base year केते अछि? That is 2016. एबे न्यू जोटा अछि पुराना थिला 2011, बट एबे जोटा नुआ अछि एटा 2016. Then question number 83, the contribution of primary sector to GDP of India. So your answer कहाँ होगा? Fluctuate है सदा. So at times increasing, at times decreasing over the years. So but जदि historically data देखिबा, so धीरे धीरे एटा कम कम जाइछ. Quarterly wise हेले fluctuation होउछ, but जदि yearly data देखिबा GDP, then एटा decrease होउछ. So your answer of option C, option D हवन. Then question number 84, Robin Hood effect is related to which of the following? Robin Hood effect, that is income redistribution. Option C. Then question number 85, out of the four concept of money supply in India, M1, M2, M3 and M4, the post office savings are included in which? So that is M2 and M4. Then question number 86, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, IRDA, is which type of body? That is statutory body. Option B. So insurance and जो act আছে ସେଥିରୁ ସେ power withdraw करे. So this is a statutory body. Then question number hela 87. Deforestation is not a direct cause of that is option C, global climate change. Then question number 88, the succession where the community increases its diversity and complexity with time is called progressive succession. Then question number 89, biochemical oxygen demand of water is measure of the load of organic matter in water, that is organic water load. Then question number 90, which of the following does not belong to natural air pollutant? So natural air pollutant कोड है जोड़ा कि peroxyacetyl nitrate हाइड्रोकार्बन तो भी ହେଇଯିବ SO2 NO2 ଏ ତ ଏସିଡ୍ ରେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରୁଛି ହାଇଡ୍ରୋକାର୍ବନ ଯେମିତି CH4 CH4 ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन ହେଇଗଲା those are hydrocarbons so natural belong to natural air pollutant does not belong to natural air pollutant that is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Then question number 91 ex situ conversion includes ex situ conversion that is ex situ is related to botanical gardens. Then question number 92 the database generated by NVIS. NVIS is used for biodiversity. Then question number 93 CBD is expanded as convention on biodiversity that is option A. And question number 94 which of the following is not a correct combination? Which of the following is not a correct combination? That is option D Balukhanda blackbuck. Then question number 95 which of the following expected to be a cause of the rise in sea level? That is melting of polar ice cap, option C. Then question number 96 the solar energy is a solar energy co type energy. So it all non-conventional energy sources. Asuranti. Then 97 bats use dash to navigate and find food. Bat जो कौन यूज करे गोटे साउंड को जानिया पई कि आगे किसी डिस्ट्रैक्शन अच्छी कि ऑब्जेक्ट्स अच्छी कि जानिया पई कौन यूज करे से जो प्रोसेस को यूज करता कहती इकोलोकेशन दैट इज ऑप्शन डी. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 98 न्यूक्लिक एसिड प्रेजेंट इन द कोरोना वायरस इज कोरोना वायरस रे जो न्यूक्लिक एसिड थाए ताऊ कौन कहते एटा को टाइप रो न्यूक्लिक एसिड दैट इज राइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड that is RNA type. Then question number 99 television signals are both frequency and amplitude modulated. Then question number 100 electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy by electric motor, option C. So जदि वीडियो आपको भल लगी था तो वीडियो टी लाइक करिवे चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करिवे और सांग मानक सहित शेयर करिवे. So देखा हबो नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे. Thank you. So that's it for today. If you find this content useful, then do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an important update. Thank you for listening, and God bless you all.